The next question we are going to learn is vous parlez français? Vous parlez français? It means you speak French. Vous parlez français? So the question is, you speak French. Do you speak French? So this is a conversation where they use this question. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Vous parlez français? You speak French? So for this question, your answer will be either yes, I speak French, or no, I do not speak French. Vous parlez français? So one person is asking the other person, do you speak French? So that person says, non, non, je ne parle pas français. I do not speak French. So this person replies, moi, je parle français. Moi is me. Me, I speak French. Je parle français. And if you notice, the difference here is to make this sentence negative, to say from I speak French, to change it to I do not speak French, you have to just take the vowel, add ne before it and pas after it. So adding ne before the vowel and pas after the vowel makes it a negative sentence. So now if anyone asks, vous parlez français? You will say either oui. For yes, you say oui. Oui, je parle français. Yes, I speak French. If not, you say non. Non. Non, je ne parle pas français. I do not speak French. So now we have learned this question, vous parlez français, and we also know how to answer that question in both the positive form and in the negative form. So now if you look at this question, we have the verb parler. So this verb will change depending upon the subject of the sentence. For that, let us recall the conjugation of this verb parler.